Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start the BMW i3 range extender. The range extender, or REX, is designed to automatically activate under specific conditions to extend your driving range. While it primarily engages automatically, certain models and software modifications allow for manual activation. It's crucial to remember that the REX acts as a generator, providing electricity to the battery, rather than directly powering the wheels. The BMW i3 range extender is engineered to kick in automatically when your high-voltage battery's state of charge drops to approximately 6%. This intelligent system ensures you can continue your journey without interruption, providing peace of mind. The car's onboard computer handles this transition smoothly, keeping the electric motor powered. For the range extender to operate, your fuel tank must hold at least 2.5 liters of gasoline. For those with European specification i3s or coded US models, you can manually activate the range extender when your battery charge is below 75%. This is done through the iDrive system by navigating to Settings and then Range Extender to select Hold State of Charge. Keep in mind, the small two-cylinder engine generates about 34 to 38 horsepower, and while active, your top speed will be limited to around 70 miles per hour. To get the most out of your BMW i3 range extender, always keep its small fuel tank adequately filled. Remember, it's designed as an auxiliary power unit, a backup to extend your journey, not to be driven continuously on gasoline. Regular maintenance of the two-cylinder engine is also important for its reliability. By driving efficiently and maximizing your electric range, you'll optimize the overall performance and longevity of your i3's unique powertrain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.